In the remote hills of Washington state, a strange legend has emerged, a tale of a bottomless pit known simply as Mel's Hole. First brought to public attention in 1997, this mysterious chasm has defied explanation, sparking debates, investigations, and even fear. Could such a place truly exist? And if so, what secrets might it hold? The story begins with a man named Mel Waters, who contacted a radio talk show hosted by Odd Bell, famous for exploring the unknown. Mel claimed that he had discovered an unusual hole on his property near Ellensburg, Washington. It wasn't just any hole, it seemed to be bottomless. According to Mel, locals had long used the hole as a dumping ground for trash, old appliances, and even animal carcasses, but nothing ever filled it. The hole swallowed everything without a trace. Curiosity drove Mel to test its depth. He tied fishing line to a weight and lowered it into the pit. After extending 800 feet of line over 15 miles, he still hadn't reached the bottom. That's when he realized he was dealing with something far beyond comprehension. But the hole's mysteries didn't end there. Mel reported strange phenomena associated with the pit. People claimed to hear bizarre echoes and unsettling noises coming from its depths. Even more unsettling were the tales of animals that seemed to avoid the area, as though sensing something unnatural. The most chilling story involved a local man who reportedly threw his dead dog into the pit, only for the dog to reappear alive and well days later. Mel's Hole became a sensation, drawing the attention of conspiracy theorists and paranormal enthusiasts. Some speculated it was a portal to another dimension or an ancient structure of extraterrestrial origin. Others believed it might be connected to secret government experiments. According to Mel, his land was soon visited by officials who demanded access to the site. He even claimed that his property was seized under mysterious circumstances, and he was prohibited from returning. Scientists were skeptical. Geologists argued that a true bottomless pit defied the laws of physics, as it would collapse under its own weight. Some suggested the story might be a hoax or a product of overactive imaginations. Yet, no one has been able to definitively prove or disprove the existence of Mel's Hole. Over the years, new claims have surfaced. Stories of similar holes around the world have added to the legend, suggesting that Mel's Hole might not be unique. Reports describe strange electromagnetic disturbances, inexplicable phenomena, and even glowing lights emanating from these mysterious chasms. Could there be a network of such holes, each with its own supernatural properties? For decades, the legend of Mel's Hole has persisted, a tantalizing mystery at the intersection of science, folklore, and the paranormal. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe